New at 5, a new report in 2024 found that many households in Northeast Tennessee are struggling financially.
News Channel 11's Catherine Simpson joins us live to talk about how an organization is working toward improving those numbers. Catherine?
Yeah, Sarah, Casey, household poverty has decreased since 2010, but the number of households living paycheck to paycheck have increased by 15%. Leaders with the United Way of Greater Kingsport say they keep a close eye on those households because they often fall through the gaps of federal benefits and other social services.
There also are cashiers, our retail workers, our healthcare workers. You know, they're serving in people's homes, taking care of elderly individuals. I mean, these are important people doing important work in our community.
United Way of Greater Kingsport's Becca Sutphin has spent the last few weeks pouring through the Alice Report. It's an annual accounting of what it takes to survive in the current economy. And this year, the study found that 46% of Northeast Tennessee households make just enough.
We're talking about things like, you know, the cost of rent, the cost of transportation, child care, the essential buckets. You know, for Alice families, what hurts is that there's not enough left at the end of the day, at the end of the paycheck, to be able to put back towards savings.
Sutphin says working to solve the cost of living crisis will take a creative and collaborative approach.
More of our companies are going to be trying to look at creative solutions themselves.
But it's not just organizations like United Way that are getting involved. Goodwill Industries of Geneva added success coaches during the pandemic to try and address the needs of their workplace. President and CEO Morris Baker says the hands-on approach combined with increasing pay has benefited both the employees and the business.
You take the approach that you want to help the employee become the best version of who they are, and if they do that, they become a great version of an employee at work.
Now, Goodwill is a nonprofit, but Baker told me he thinks that his strategies are transferable into real businesses and that they'd like to coach other businesses into the future into using some of those strategies. Reporting live in Kingsport, Catherine Simpson, News Channel 11. Back to you.
Catherine, thanks.